Hello everybody, I am Manoj Kumar Pradhan, teacher in social studies. On behalf of Odisha Adarsha Vidyalaya Sangathan, Bhubaneswar, I welcome all to this video series of social science. Today we are going to start the video series of class 10 geography chapter 7. The topic is lifeline of national economy. This is very important topic of class 10 geography and it is based on economic geography of India. Let's start the topic. It is the introduction video for this topic. Let's understand what is the lifeline of the nation. Lifeline of the nation means things which contributes to development of the country. In our previous chapter of agriculture, manufacturing industries, mineral and energy resources, we discussed that how all of these are played a crucial role in production of goods. Production of goods is essential for development of our economy. So we know that the pace of development of a country depends upon the production of goods from agriculture and industries. We use different materials and services in our daily life. Some of these are available in our immediate surroundings, while other requirements are made by bringing things from other places. We take some examples for understanding the demand location and supply locations. Agriculture fields, manufacturing industries, mining. These are the examples. These are the examples of supply locations, means the place of production. Now we'll discuss about the demand locations. Vegetable buyer, food products consumer, mineral industries. These are the demand locations, mean the place of consumers. How do the products are come from supply location to demand location? For examples, from the agriculture field to vegetable buyer, from the manufacturing industry to the consumers, and from the mining to the mineral industries. Goods and services do not move from supply locale to demand locales on their own. In these examples, food processing industry is supply location and supermarket is demand location. And these food products are not moved from the industry to the supermarket on their own. In this example, the products are moved from the garment industry to the buyer by transport. Similarly, all the examples, the movement of these goods and services from their supply location to demand locations necessitate the need for transport. So, transport is very important for movement of these goods and supply location to demand locations. Transport is the mean by which people and goods move from one place to another. Some people are engaged in facilitating this movement. These are known as the trader. Trader who provide the goods from supply location to demand location by transport. The pace of development of a country depends upon production of goods and services as well as their movements over space. Therefore, efficient means of transport are prerequisite for fast development. Remember the keywords: efficient means of transport, not normal transport. Movement of these goods and services can be over three important domains of our earth. Based on this, transport can be classified into land, water and air. Now we will discuss about the major domains of transport, meaning means of transport. Transport can be done through three types: land, water and air. By land, roadways, railways, pipeline. By water, inland and overseas. By air, domestic airways, international airways. Domestic airways further divided two types: public undertaking and a private airline. Let's discuss one by one. Means of transport, three means of transport: by land, by water and by air. First we will discuss about land. By land also three types of transport: roadways, railways and pipelines. By water, inland and overseas. This is the major inland waterways of India. Inland waterway means movement within the country through rivers, canals, lakes, etc. This is the map of a major sea route. Overseas waterways means movement from one country to another through sea routes. Airways. Airways is divided two types: domestic airways and international airways. This is the map of a major air network of India. Domestic airways means movement by air within the country. For example, travel from Delhi to Mumbai, Chennai to Kolkata, etc. This is the map of a world air route. International airways means movement by the air from one country to another. Domestic airways further divided into two types: public undertaking and a private airline. Public undertaking means owned by the government, for example, Air India. Private airline means owned by the individual or a private company, for example, Indigo, Go Air. Trade and transport were restricted to a limited space for a long time. But after the development of the science and technology, the area of influence of trade and transport expanded far and wide. Today, the world has been converted into a large village with the help of efficient and fast moving transport. It's meaning how we can reach from one place to another place of a village easily. Similarly, with the development of a modern means of transport, one can reach from one country to another country easily and within a short time. Transport has been able to achieve this with equally developed communication system. Therefore, transport, communication, and trade are complementary to each other. Uh, Try to understand it. Suppose you are from a rural area and you want to purchase a laptop which is not available in your locality. Then you can order it through online portal like Flipkart or Amazon. You can pay the amount through online. Then you can receive the product by courier service. So in this example, the laptop is coming to you from the seller by transport. You pay order online and pay online, it is communication. The seller, the courier company and the online company like Flipkart and Amazon are trader. So we understand that trader, transport and communication are complementary to each other. Today India is well linked with the rest of the world despite its vast size, diversity and linguistic and social cultural plurality. Railways, airways, waterways, newspaper, radio, television, cinema and internet etc. have been contributing to its socio-economic progress in many ways. We will complete this topic in 6 parts. This is the introduction video and we already discussed major domain of transport. In this chapter, we will see how modern means of transport and communication serve as lifeline of our nation and its modern economy. It is thus evident that a dense and efficient network of transport and communication is a prerequisite for local, national and global trade of today. So we already cover introduction part in this video. In our second video, we will discuss about roadways, its importance and different kind of roads available in India. In our third video, we will discuss about railway and importance of the pipeline. In our fourth video, we will discuss about waterways, major seaports and airways. In our fifth video, we will discuss about major means of communication in India, international trade, tourism as a trade. In our sixth video, we discuss about international airport and major seaport and we can locate it on the India map. Some important questions. Which are the different means of transport? 1 mark. Mention 2 types of airways. 1 mark. Some people are engaged in facilitating this movement. These are known as to be dash. 1 mark. Mention 1 benefit of transport. 1 mark. Efficient means of transport are prerequisite for first development. Support the statement with your views. 3 mark. The answer of this question are I already discussed in this video. So try to solve this question. Thank you so much for watching this video.